makes for such fun fodder. So I'm going to talk through it, and at any moment, so I'm going to go through the process of uploading a short and then choosing, allowing it to let me choose what thumbnail I want it to be. Then I'm going to show you how to go in and edit one from like a long time ago.
It shows pretty good on the phone too.
Okay, good.
Right.
Oh, Larks, hello. Hey, good to see you.
Happy
with
early
a whole bunch of popcorn.
Lark.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. So good to see ya. Lots of people saying hello. So I am going to talk us through, but and I know that the chat can be a little bit behind. So if there is something that you missed, don't hesitate to stop me, and I will do my best. Or yeah, I don't know if you can't see the time, but anyway. So this is of course you can only do you can upload shorts through the what is it called? Why can't I think of it? The YouTube Studio, but it's best to upload them on your phone, right? So I'm going to start with my phone, click on YouTube, and then up it comes. And then here at the bottom,
which finger? Use your first finger.
Yeah, I know I didn't by accident there. So in here, you've got where you can, upload a video, a short, a live, or a post. And so these change. So do make sure that it is a short. And now I don't give YouTube access to all of my videos. And so I do have to go through the process of allowing them to have some. So I am saying, make sure it's a short and, select more photos or keep current. And I have already uploaded it. So, and that's the video I'm going to put up. And once I see it, I click done. And then it's a little bit different for this one. Sorry. And so now the video is playing. And then I've said for it to be uploaded. Now this is where you go to fix the thumbnail when you're uploading. You click that little, let me just back it up again. I don't know if everybody saw it. So you see there's a pencil, and that tells me I can go and change what my thumbnail is going to be. Yeah, I can edit it. So we'll continue on. Super easy. And so here it is where, and I'm in between this. So at the very bottom there, and I should have lifted this up. I'm scrubbing through to find where I want it to be. And I want to have it, because this is all about soup. And so then I've chosen that one, and then I want to have soup, and then I go, oh, you can't do it that way, and your fat fingers can't, make it bigger. So there we go. So now I've got it there, and you can change it. There in here you can play with different things. So then it is left on yellow, and it was like, yeah, that's not the best, and I want it to be also bigger. And so I just want to have this where I'm enjoying the soup, and it's all about soup. And I'm happy with that. And I titled it, and then I upload the short. And then I am just going to show you that. I go into YouTube Studio and go into my content. And there's the short there. Now, I don't let my shorts go up to YouTube right away and have them go live right away. I have them on private so that I can come in, because I want to add in all the other bits and pieces to it. I want to be able to say what it's about and do all my SEOs. All right. Okay. So now to edit. Now, is everybody okay with that? Super useful.
Yeah.
I think so. We can always go and watch the replay too for those.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Because I probably will, because that's just my learning style.
So when we want to go in and fix, again, we're going to go into the YouTube app. And right here, I'm going to go into my channel. So I went to search, and of course, who's at the top of mine? Diva in the dirt, of course, it is. And then I'm going to choose my channel, right? So now I've got my channel. And here you got home, videos, and shorts. And so I want to click on the shorts. And then I'm going to scroll. I should have probably scrubbed through this better for you guys, because it's probably blurry. And because I'm just going to look for an old one from a long time ago that that it was one of them that they had chosen for me, and there was no way to write anything on it. So these are all really old. So there's this one. And so, whoops. So as you can see, I was circling. So you see those 3 little dots, right? And that's what you're going to click. Super easy. And then you click edit, and I come in, and there's the pencil.
No.
And so this was about looking for goats on the roof. That was what it was about. So I'm scrubbing through, and this is the only goat that I found, but I didn't want to have that word goat. So again, I'm scrubbing through to get rid of the word goat. The goats do go on the roof. And so that's good. So now I'm going to add in, I can't spell goats apparently. And so it's like goats on roof, and I will fix this again. I just was, choosing one, and it's like, it's yellow. That doesn't look very good, does it? You can't really see it. So it's not going to stand out on a phone. And then I'm just wait for a second for me to figure it out. So, okay, so let's try orange. Let's try white. Would white look better? And maybe with nope, that's still not visible. Yeah, nope. What do you think, Maureen? What do you think?
Red.
Nope. You got it. White on red. And again, it's like, oh yeah, I know. Can you get your fat fingers to make it work? And so then it's like goats on roof, and then save.
Oh,
and there it is done.
I fixed my 3. Yay!
Good for you, Carol.
I changed it to you can do it instead. Yay!
Yay!
Now I'm going to go back and change all of the ones that they like.
I know this is going to be
what this one. How offensive! Like just
Yes. What is she doing? So it's really a great way to help your thumbnails stand out, because that's the main thing.
Welcome in, Duncan.
I will come back to those. Because when we go back, so that one's limited, whatever. But you see, you can, I'm scrolling so fast, but you can see, here with all of these ones, I've got what's going on with Sadie. There's the one for grateful. I just left that word. I didn't put it, plant your garlic fast. All right. So when you're looking at this one on your phone, if it's coming up for somebody, that might, make it more intriguing, right? This other one down here, chickens earning their keep. I know it's a bit blurry because I was scrolling through, but it's like all of these ones, or even this one here, I don't have, I didn't put words on it. So I can come back and actually, Maureen, you were just scrolling so fast. So, you can see all of these ones don't have words on them. So it's going to allow me to come back, on downtime and pick and choose to make your thumbnail stand out better. So I love being able to go, okay, I can now fix that. Oh yeah, see, this is one right here. This baker's, you can't really see. It's like baker's, you need this, and this is a bread sling, and so this is what I did just a couple of days ago, so that if it's someone scrolling through, they're going to see this. That's much better thumbnail for me to use with that baker's. You need this, because if they're a baker, they go, well, why do I need that? And it might encourage them to click it on.
True. That's true.
Kind of cool.
Oh my gosh, this is so helpful, Maureen. I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Super easy, super simple.
Before I came up too, there's nothing like this out there, you guys. I was trying to research what she was going to do tonight, and some of the ones that they had were very confusing. And this is super, like you said, super simple. And I can go in and probably before bed fix a lot of the ones that they did that to me. Yay! I'm so excited. Thank you.
I got a question.